Hi, so I'm filming day 2 of a day in the life. So I guess I'm gonna put like a day in the life again. Today's not gonna be very productive, honestly. So this is probably gonna be very short. But I already got up, had breakfast, um, watched some track and field, watched some Sullivan's Crossing on Netflix, and now I'm going to do my hair. So I already filmed the process of doing my hair before, so I'm not gonna show that much of it, or I'll just like do a time lapse. But essentially, I took out the I took it out because it was scratching like my scalp. Like I needed to wash my scalp slash like um wash my hair. So I took it out, washed my hair, detangled my hair, and now I'm putting it back in for like a day. I changed my hair and like had a wig. Um, I'll insert that somewhere, but I decided that I'm going to just put this back in, and then also maybe like a month in, I'll like turn it into locks and then try to wear that for like a month. So this should be like a 2 to 3 month style. But one thing that I have to remind myself to do with these protective styles is not to bear too much tension. So putting it up, like all that, and the way in which I install the twist has to be such that it can move in different directions. So the angle at which I twist has to fall so that if I put it up, there's no problem. So that is what has happened for what it looks like right now. But everything else that I do in the back, which is going to be difficult, it needs to be twisted in a way that the tension that bears upon it will not pull at my scalp or pull at my hair strands and cause when I'm detangling for there to be hair falling out. Don't want that. I want to retain length this year. So the plan is to get my hair to like at least 8 to 10 inches. That's the goal. So I'm eating really well. I'm going to be ordering some more supplements, but I'm doing what I can internally so that I am gonna produce great hair. My nails grow back really fast, so I know that like I'm good on specific vitamins so far, but essentially that's what's going on today. I also have a 7.5 kilometer to run again today. It's not intervals, it's straight through conversational pace. So I will take you along on that too. But and then I have track to watch, but that's not gonna be until tomorrow at 3 in the morning because I need to watch triple jump. So that's gonna be good. But yeah. Okay, so I finished. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. This is the length. It was 18 inches. So I'm gonna trim the back, but I don't know how these parts look. How do they look? I don't know. I free-handed everything and I couldn't see the back, so if the parts look off, it is what it is. But yeah, your girl's a hairstylist. Whew. I'm a hairstylist because, yeah, this looks good. Period. Yeah. So I'm just gonna clean, like there's hair on the floor and so forth, so like I'm just gonna clean up the sink and everything like that, put away like all the hair products, and then I'm just gonna watch World Indoor Championships that's happening in Poland until I have to go run 7.5 kilometers. But right now the 1500 is on. Men's 1500 is second heat. I'm not seeing any Jamaican in this heat. I mean, Jamaica doesn't have that much. Jamaica's distance runners aren't as depth or isn't as much as the sprinters. Like sprinters have way more heads or way more people than distance. Although there are some, like shout out to Kimara Farquharson. Big up yourself, sir. Although I don't think you know who I am, but big up himself. One Farquharson. But yeah, I'm just gonna go clean and then we can watch Worlds. Ooh, I think the triple jumpers are warming up, so that's gonna be good to watch. But yeah, let's see. Is that triple jump? Yeah, I think that's triple jump. Yeah, it is definitely triple jump. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so the 1500 is going on, but I'm just going to put on my clothes. I don't have to go and work out until about like 3:35. 3:30 to 4, sorry. I'm working out, like my time when I work out really depends on the weather. So yeah, I do have a treadmill that I could do this on, but anytime I can go outside, I prefer to. Mentally, it's way tougher for me to do a treadmill workout than it is for me to go and run outside. So as a result of that, I literally just like run outside as much as possible. When for my birthday, I did a half marathon on January 15th and or January 14th going into the night, because I finished it at 10. And wow, like I was so happy that day it was warm enough for me to go outside. It wasn't negative, because for me to finish a half marathon inside on that treadmill, like the mental strength for me to stay in that one place, crazy. I don't like using the word crazy because we're mental health advocates here and we don't ostracize mental health, but child, doing that was difficult, much less doing a full marathon on a treadmill. God. But anyways, let's go on some track. I'm eating lunch, which is leftovers from last night, and the 400 meter is happening now. So this is a semi-final. I didn't know I missed. This is a second semi-final. Damn. I missed the prelims. This championship is going fast because I swear it started today. How are we already at semi-finals of 400 meters? Oh, we get this one. Forgot to mousse my hair, so we're gonna do it now. Jordan is about to make history. Let's go. Let's go. History books. Let's go. Hey, so I just did 6 kilometers. I have 1.5K left, but I just ran home because I need to get all my stuff to work out. So I just came to get my bag. And then after that, I'm just gonna walk to the gym, do this lift, and then walk back. And then I'll probably cool down and do the 1.5K. So yeah, let's do this.
Pretty girl from Joburg, see me now, and that's what they prefer.